your questions are answered.
Beat It AT, what up? Beat It AT, what up? Beat It AT, what up? Beat It AT, what up?
Or use our samples for an even quicker process.
Beat It AT, what up? Beat It AT, what up? Beat It AT, what up?
All downloads are available for a lifetime, so you will never lose your orders.
Beat It AT, what up? Beat It AT, what up? Beat It AT, what up? Beat It AT, what up?
Beat It AT offers the best terms for producers. Information for clearing samples and licensing is available on our site and in all orders.
Beat It AT, what up? Beat It AT, what up? Beat It AT, what up?
Don't want to use our samples? Use our MIDI with your own VSTs.
Beat It AT, what up? Beat It AT, what up?
The best samples for Lil Baby, Lil Durk, and several other artists. AT Baby to Baby 6. All melody compositions are key and BPM labeled. Our packs make it easier than ever for you to produce your next hit.
Beat It AT, what up? Beat It AT, what up? Beat It AT, what up? Beat It AT, what up?
Purchase a sample pack now. Only available at beatitat.com.